Hi guys, I'm Justin Pichetrungsi. I'm a chef owner of my family's restaurant. I started cooking with my father when I was quite young, and it was always awesome to see how he cooks and how he manipulates ingredients and the things that he was very passionate about. Something that I could actually create with him. So if you're looking to cook with your kids at home, I think start off with some simple, fun recipes and just have a good time. Don't stress out about the perfection of things, and just know that it's all about making it tasty and having a good time. So, and being safe, using knives and staying clean. So I love the idea of a family coming together to make a meal for a family. My family restaurant has really thrived on that. We feed families every night, and it's a beautiful thing.